Hi guys, here we're at the Brayford level crossing in Lincoln with Joe. People's dodging the railway barriers again, that's ridiculous.
I can tell you what this is for.
Here we go, that one goes slower.
This is for the 1413 Dutchman Schenker service to Umber. From that way, Joe.
Okay. Because he comes out all the time. I'm in AE lock. There we go. Got a good view of the train, which is not here yet, but make the tracks.
Stop shaking, barrier. It's not that cold. It's left Newark car Susie got in 30 minutes earlier. According to this board, it should only be at Thorpe. You know, this rate always causes hikers to say, "Warning, the train is approaching, shut up." This rate always causes hikers to do that at around 2-4 and F4. Now we're 50. We're going on for it anyways.
Time is 13:49.
So, buzzer off fly.
Yep, it's 50 now.
And the fly keeps wanting you.
Yep.
Not shaking, Paige, not cold. Close to the boat sauce at Moira in Ireland. Is there even a signal for this DBS?
We're all on red at the moment.
Yeah, we're one around the corner bit there. God's help from this side. It's one of these ones just on the side of a box, which it always is. Yeah, parcel's all set to their straight setting, as they say. It's not really that straight though, it's on a curve. DPS smash it, smash whatever it's going to be. Shouldn't be, your oil.
We've still not got anything yet. 2:38 on the camera.
51 near that. 151. We've got another while. I know it don't sit at West Dunsmith, it's got an open colour like it did like last week for 2 geese/swans/whatever they were. On the dock. DBS. Where the DBS are you? Yeah, Dutchman. As early as she likes to be, here she is. There's another 6 there.
13:51 and here we go. We've got a freighter.
I've got 6, which are mainly always late.
A different shaped front. AE lock again. Oh god, this is good. And where we got? We have got oil containers.
60017!
60017! It's going over Central! Here's the end of 60017. And up they go. Thank you, I'll see you in the next video.